Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Carissa. I am a beauty blogger, but I'm mostly on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram already, that'll be linked down below and I'll show it on the screen here for you guys. Make sure you go follow me. So today I'm going to be doing this look here for you guys. It is clearly a fall inspired makeup look, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure to keep watching. I'm super excited to do this video because I really wanted to do like fall inspired videos and I wanted to do like Halloween makeup tutorials, but not my strong suit. So I decided I would just do a fall makeup look. Let's get right into it. Starting off with primer, I'm going to be using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is one of my favorite primers. I really like Becca primers. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. I like this primer because it's super glowy. I would really like this primer like just on its own without any makeup because it just makes your face look really glowy. Next, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Professional Primer and use this on my pores. You guys know the drill with this stuff. I pretty much do the same thing I've always done for the face makeup. It's changing a little bit, or it has changed a little bit, and I'm going to be trying out a new powder today. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that I recently picked up the Derma Blend Translucent Setting Powder. I wanted to try something new, and it was one of the best-selling setting powders on Ulta, so I decided to pick it up and try it. So now, I have some really exciting content coming for you guys. I am like very excited on where things are going. And if you guys, again, don't follow me on Instagram, you probably wouldn't know that I recently hit 1,000 followers, which is unbelievable, like, because I've only been doing this since like March. I started my blog at the very end of March. I literally started it on my boyfriend's birthday. That's how I remember, like, you know, when exactly I started it. But yeah, I can't believe that I've already come this far. It's incredible. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys if you're following me on Instagram, or even if you're subscribed to me on YouTube. Thank you so much. I'm really hoping to like grow my YouTube from here. So yeah. So I'm going to be taking the Born This Way foundation. Every time I wear this foundation, a customer, like a woman at my work, will like compliment me. Like any woman will be like, and it's always like, your skin, they'll be like, your skin looks so flawless, what do you use? And I'm like, girl, let me tell you, okay? So I'm just using, this is a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just using that. Now I'm going to be trying the Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder. So this is just their original powder. It's one of those white powders. So let's try this out. I'm really excited. Can I get it? Oh, wow, that was a lot more than I was prepared for. Shit. Okay, this is some scary stuff. Okay, I just sucked up because now there's so much powder. Oh, babe. Oh no. I just got it everywhere. Alright, so sorry about that. My camera died. I had to wait for it to charge, but we're back. I just went ahead and set my whole face with the powder. So, impressions of the Derma Blend powder. I did really like it. My skin feels really soft. My makeup feels locked in. I just used a beauty sponge to set under my eyes, and then I used a powder brush on the rest of my face. I didn't do anything else. So, moving on from there. Next, I'm going to bronze up my face just a little bit, and I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I desperately need to branch out into a new bronzer, but I'm not doing that yet. I think I'm going to end up getting the Marc Jacobs, the Coconut Bronzer, because I really want to try that. Like, I don't often, like, really feel the need to try new bronzers, but that one I actually feel like I want to try, so. And I'm just taking it on a Crown Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to just bronze up the face a little bit. I've been using this since I got it in my BoxyCharm. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, and I really like this. I've been using it a lot lately, and I'm just going to take it on a BH Cosmetics brush. It's like very, very subtle, which is how I like my blushes. It just adds like a little bit of color. Hey! So annoying. Now I'm going to highlight, and I think today's highlight, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution highlight palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. They don't really have names, but I'm going to use this color. Of my nose. Now we're glowing. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Same thing I always use, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the Benefit Gimme Brow. Now I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to get started on the eyes. So today for the eyes I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm sure you guys have all seen this before. I think this is like the perfect fall palette. Like, look at those colors, they just scream fall. So I'm going to be using this today on my eyes. I know a lot of like beauty gurus like jump around from palette to palette with one look, and I honestly don't know how people do that because I don't like to have to go back and forth between a bunch of palettes. Like, I like to just have one palette that I'm gonna use for the look. Just makes it easier. First, I'm gonna be taking this fluffy blending brush. See if it'll focus. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. It came in a BoxyCharm. And I think I'm gonna start with this color right here. It's called Sienna, and that is going to be our transition color. Next, I'm going to take this color right here called Mulberry. Take that, and then this is on a BH Cosmetics brush, just like a more angled brush, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease. It's so weird because it'll like look like it's in focus in like the computer, and then as soon as I hit record it looks like it's not in focus, so I don't really know what's going on there, but anywho, next I'm gonna take this sparkly color right here called Sultry, the deeper color right here, and I'm gonna use that on my lid, and I'm not gonna wet the brush because I don't want it to be too intense. Actually that same BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to use the black color, which is called Noir, and I'm just going to lightly deepen this up because I just think it'll look a little bit better with the black. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to take the color Glistening, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And take the color Tempera, which is like a really light pale pink color, and it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm gonna use that on my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Paradise Mascara. I don't know if I said that in the correct order. And I'm gonna apply about 2 coats to my top lashes and then a coat to my bottom lash. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys back out and we're going to finish off the look. Now that the eyes are done, you know what I hate is I feel like I look in the mirror and it looks so much more pigmented and like really good, and then I look in like the computer screen and it doesn't look as good, but whatever. We're going to step outside the box for Carissa because I do not ever wear dark lip colors. I don't even wear lip colors to begin with, but I've been really wanting to try this MAC lipstick. It is Lip Tensity Lipstick in Burnt Violet. It is like, it looks like really brown, but then when you like swatch it, it comes off like very purple. But I've really wanted to try this because I think it's beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna go with this eye look, but you know what, we're gonna try it today. So I literally struggle at putting lipstick on, so don't make fun of me, but I'm not good at putting lipstick on. I don't even own lip liner, so I am going to take this palette again, and then I'm going to take a pencil tipped brush and go back into the color Glistening, and I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. I'm going to, you know, like, we're totally trying new things here. I'm going to put the color Glistening on my lips. I feel like that looks super cute. I'm so excited. But that is it. This is my finished fall makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm really glad that it came out well because I like doing makeup and I've done it for a long time and I know that I'm decent at it, but like when I do things like dark lips like this, I never know how it's gonna go, so it's always like a little bit iffy. But I actually really like how this came out. I think this is a really great fall makeup look, and it's fairly simple, so I just kept like the skin totally, you know, like natural, didn't do anything crazy with like blush or highlight, and then really focused it on the eyes and especially the lips. So yes, that is it for today's look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also check out my Instagram, follow me there, that'll be linked down below. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!